This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming minimal hardware and securing your data. This prevents surprises. Once done, enable Secure Boot and TPM in firmware if present, reboot to BIOS, change settings, save, and exit. Next, back up personal files and create a system image so you can restore if needed. Then download the official Windows 11 ISO and a USB creator like Rufus. Make a bootable USB at 8 GB or larger. This gets you ready to bypass installer checks safely. You now modify the installer to accept unsupported hardware. Start by booting from the USB you made. Once booted to setup, press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt and run regedit to add allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU, and set value to 1 under HKey local machine /system /setup /lab config. This skips TPM and CPU checks. Alternatively, replace install Vim with a modified image if necessary. Make sure to choose custom install. You finish installation by following on-screen prompts. Choose language, partition, and install. Once Windows boots, install chipset and storage drivers, then run Windows Update multiple times to pick up cumulative patches. If activation or account linking causes errors, create a local account during setup and add your Microsoft account later. If the system fails to boot or is unstable, use the recovery USB to run startup repair or restore the image you created. This one troubleshooting tip will recover you without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.